Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Google Chrome lagging running slow in Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To improve the performance of Google Chrome, start by launching the browser and addressing any extensions that may be slowing it down. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, navigate to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. Disable or remove any extensions you are not currently using to streamline Chrome's operation. You can do this by hitting the Remove button next to each extension and confirming the removal. Once you have managed your extensions, return to the three dots menu, scroll down to Settings, and access the System tab on the left. Ensure that the option Use Hardware Acceleration when available is enabled. After enabling this, click Relaunch to restart Google Chrome with the updated settings. Next, open the command prompt by searching for CMD in the Start menu. In the command window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter to clear your network cache. Then, type netsh winsock reset and hit Enter to reset the winsock catalog. Close the command prompt once these commands have executed. Proceed by accessing the control panel through the Start menu and set the view to Category. Navigate to View Network Status and Tasks, and click on Change Adapter Settings on the left. Locate your active network connection, right-click it, and select Properties. Highlight Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Change the DNS settings from Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically to Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8888 and 8844. Click OK to save the changes. If you continue to experience issues, open Task Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. In Task Manager, review the applications using significant resources by sorting them under the Memory tab. Right-click any resource-heavy applications that you are not using and select End Task to free up memory. Return to Google Chrome, open the Settings menu via the three dots, and go to the Performance section. Ensure Memory Saver is enabled to optimize memory usage. Then, move to the Privacy and Security tab, select Security, and enable Enhanced Protection for better browsing security and speed. Clear your browsing data by returning to the three dots menu, selecting Clear Browsing Data, and choosing to delete browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Click Clear Data to finalize this step. To ensure all these changes take effect, restart your computer. These steps should help resolve issues with lagging or slow performance in Google Chrome. So that's basically how to fix Google Chrome lagging. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.